Hey guys, it's Abby in the garage, and today we're taking a look at the Mud Dog mud flaps from Husky Liners, and I have Todd here with me to talk a little bit about them. So first of all, what's sort of the purpose of these?
So the Mud Dogs are going to give you a 12-inch apron, and they're going to protect not only your vehicle but trailing vehicles from the road salt, debris, rocks, and everything that you're going to kick up with your tires.
Now, do we have these application for the front and the back?
Absolutely, and they're vehicle specific. Also, we have some universal applications that can fit where we have some holes in an application chart.
Is this something that we can also have with the wheel well liners that are already stock, or do we have to purchase something separate?
It'll depend on the application, but in most cases you won't have to remove the rear trim at all.
So what kind of warranty are we looking at, because this is something that's going to see a lot of wear and tear?
Yeah, it's going to take a lot of abuse, but we still back them with a lifetime warranty.
As far as installation goes, it's pretty straightforward, and we would rate this a 2 out of 10, and it'll take you about an hour. So is there anything specific that people need to keep in mind when installing these?
No, we'll typically be using the factory holes and factory fasteners with a couple of clips. It may be easier to take the wheel off if you want to throw it on a jack for accessibility, but not necessary.
Thanks so much for watching our video. Today we took a look at the Mud Dog mud flaps from Husky Liners. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave those below. Also check out that description below for product information and numbers, as well as a link to our dealer locator where you can find a dealer near you who would be more than happy to help you with the purchase or installation of this product. If you liked the video, be sure to give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss when we post new videos. Thanks so much for watching again. This has been Performance Corner in the Garage.